Hello everyone, I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video.
Studio and the one bedroom,
Right.
so we're on the studio side right now.
Oh God, this is absolutely beautiful.
So it's kind of like the Grand Floridian studio where you have
The bedroom
two
and
showers and you have the sliding door there.
rain shower.
I'm gonna let him do the video and I'm just gonna take pictures.
He's the YouTube guy, right?
Yes.
Nice mirror, nice vanity. This is
This
the
is kind of like
two-bedroom at the Riviera.
This is
but
beautiful.
the Grand Floridian is very white.
Small
Mostly
kitchenette,
white and gray.
refrigerator, microwave,
This is your mini kitchenette.
coffee
Coffee
maker,
toaster, microwave, mini refrigerator, and sink.
Oh, and this pulls up to the couch.
nice big
Okay.
TV.
All right.
Yep. And then you have your Trundle.
There you go, William.
Well, that's an interesting painting.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And you have the regular bed.
Queen size.
Oh, nice piece of
You have
artwork.
drawers at the bottom. You can store your suitcase underneath.
Oh my goodness.
This is the Murphy bed.
This is really
This does fold up, and there is a couch
I like how they did this. Where we
that
are.
appears when you fold it up. You can see the arms of it right there.
This is really
Storage under the bed and drawers in the front.
I don't like it low, I like it high.
I like it high too. And this is out a little bit further because,
Yeah.
Very elegant
Yeah, I
chandelier
like
on
that.
the ceiling.
oh, that's
And
beautiful.
all the lighting fixtures are awesome.
Yes, they are. That's
So this is the studio side of a two-bedroom. So we come up here and we turn this way. This goes into the one-bedroom side
Have your closet over here. Your closet.
with a full kitchen, microwave, cabinets, stove, cooktop. Does have a dishwasher, coffee maker, fairly full-size refrigerator, seating area. That's me. Hello. Nice looking couch, artwork. This is the living room. This is also a Murphy bed, and it kind of shows you what it looks like folded up. You just have to move that coffee table out of the way, and that whole thing pulls down, and the couch folds up underneath it. And this is the little child's pull-out under the TV with a nice picture of Mickey and Pluto. Nice balcony outside, overlooking the courtyard and the pool. And we move into the master bedroom. There's also a slider here to the patio. Kittens, one of them sleeping in the speaker horn for the Victrola. Looks like a king-size bed. Big TV, nice looking dresser. Full-size floor-length mirror. Nice closet. Shelves on one side. And sliding doors that lead into the master bath. Vanity. Nice big mirror. Another really pretty light. Soaking tub. It's got some holes in the bottom. Look like it's a bubble tub. Toilet. Another stand-up shower. with a rainfall head and a regular head. Toilet. Artwork in these rooms are just beautiful. Another vanity, mirror.
This one?
And behind this door we have
Oh, it pulls down, that's right.
washer and dryer. Laundry basket. And that is the
Word, that's amazing.
2-bedroom lock-off,
That's beautiful.
which is a combination of a 1-bedroom and a studio at the Riviera Club Resort. Really want to thank BBC for inviting us on this tour, and we'll see you next time. And since we're in the neighborhood, we decided to come by and check out the Riviera. This is the lobby. Gift shop over there. I'm sure we'll be hitting that up. Nice seating area. Check in over there. Nice Christmas decorations.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.